Thanks for registering for the studio's Reverse Stencil Wall Art program. What's in your Studio Craft Kit? Inside your Studio Craft Kit, you'll find 4 pieces of canvas, 5 bottles of paint, paintbrush, 4 Cricut cut stencils. Let's get crafting! For this craft, we'll be using the reverse stencil technique. We'll be placing stencils onto the canvas, painting the canvas, and removing the stencils to create a negative space image. Your stencils have been cut on laminate contact paper. You'll need to separate the sticky side from the paper side. Peel the paper away from your stencil pieces and carefully place them on your canvas. Once all of your pieces are placed, make sure they are firmly pushed down onto the canvas. Now that your stencils are placed, you can start painting. Paint the entire canvas. Be sure to paint around your stencils carefully to avoid paint seeping under the stencil. Don't forget to paint the edges of your canvas. After you've finished painting, give your canvas time to dry. Once your canvas is dry, carefully remove your stencils to reveal the white canvas underneath. Enjoy your new artwork!